Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about DropCourse IO. Alright, let's begin. Now, what exactly is DropCourse? Basically, it's a course and community platform. So you can customize courses that they have and create communities that will help you create viral content. Now you can see that they already have over 1,000 sellers, and there are some courses. So basically, they have courses that are created with AI, and you can then customize those. Then they also help you with their content library that will help you go viral every time you post. So in order to get started, you can simply try it for free by clicking Try for Free. For example, I will select the YouTube automation course, and you can see that you can click on Start Selling Now on any of these courses. Inside it, you will need to enter your full name and email here. Then, it will take you to a Stripe checkout, where you're going to start your paid plan. So that's basically all about DropCourse IO. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.